Welcome! In this channel, we explain automotive terms. Heated mirrors work by supplying heat to the mirror, which then melts snow or ice, improving your visibility. They can also help keep your visibility clear in the rain. They are becoming increasingly common and affordable in today's newest cars. They also come in all different sizes, types, and designs as add-ons. Some of the common add-on heated mirror types include universal heated mirror, quick warm mirror, towing heated mirror, utility heated mirror, and blind spot detection heated mirror. To figure out if you have factory installed heated mirrors on your vehicle, look for the following signs. A heat symbol on the side of the mirror. A button with a heated mirror or rear window defroster icon on your dashboard. Or electric cables attached to the back of the glass. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.